video. So I'm excited because I got a new vlogging camera. So this is my vlogging camera, and I have another camera, and I'm gonna show you it real quick. But I think this is gonna like save a life and change a life for my videos, because when I really don't want to put this up and like set this up, I got this one I can pull out. I'm going to leave the information to the vlogging camera, but I probably am going to switch to using that while I end up doing my hair today. I just wanted to show you guys this unit, and I actually got this from this company called MyFirstWigs, and I just want to show you guys how it came. So it came in this box. Alright, so this is how the wig came in the box. It says MyFirstWig, and you open it, and it has your wig cap. It has the style, name, number, information about the wig. It's called the Gemini 002, and that's literally why I got it. I know, lame, but I'm a Gemini. The order, no. Okay, so yeah, Silky 10-inch natural hair color, cap size 1, and it does have medium brown lace. I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that. It also came with this little cute pouch. Unwrap it. So, okay, so like I said, it comes with bobby pins. It came with a rat tail comb, and it has their name on it. It came with 2 clips. One of the other clips is actually in my head, and I believe it came with this, which is an elastic band that you can put on your wig so it can fit a little bit more snug. And it came with this wig holder, so you know, that's always cool. You could pop your wig on it, your favorite wig that you want to display in your room. I'm here for it because it's pink. But yeah, so I love these wig caps because it looks like it's light brown, but it's not. It's more so like it really does mimic my actual scalp. With all that being said, I am going to show you guys how to put your wigs on, because I didn't lay this down or anything like that. This is the parting. You can see I kind of have the cap back there, and I don't want it to look like that, so I might not even wear a cap. I don't know, but we're going to apply it. We're going to finesse it. I'm going to put some makeup on, and we're going to do intro and outro, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are excited to see this wig transformation. I have to straighten it and all of that good stuff. Basically going to show you guys how to apply your wigs. I actually already have my hair braided underneath. I washed my hair today, just put it in 2 little French braids. Yeah, and it just feels so soft and luscious, and I'm just so here for it. So yeah, so you just want to make sure your hair is really flat, especially with a wig like this, because it's so short. You don't want anything sticking out. You can use the bobby pin. I'm gonna just put a bobby pin because I see one sitting right here. The bobby pins will come in handy if you do have any hair that's hanging out. What I'm not gonna do is use the I do want to use this. I'm gonna just use it. So okay, so this is the wig cap. It actually comes with 2, so that's good just in case you lose one. And I'm gonna stop it like right at my hairline, only because I like using wig caps. Unfortunately, sometimes it does slide back or whatever, but you just take your time with putting the wig on. It won't move around so much. But if you start seeing it slide back, I would just suggest you just to start all over, because it's not cute when you can see kind of like the line demarcation on your wig cap showing through the lace, if you get like the lace parting, if you get what I'm saying. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. I already have the little straps in the back pulled to each side, and it does have a comb back there, so that's good to know, so it can fit really secure and snug. And it has 2 combs on the side. So once again, this is how it looks. The parting is there. It's really nice parting. So the parting is about this long, so way more than 4. So I'm here for the parting because, you know, you can finesse it, switch it up if you want to, move your parting around, and that's always good when you have like a wig, if you are into getting wigs. I like just pulling the comb out and tucking it underneath. Like I said, be gentle so your cap is not moving on you. And same thing on this side, just tuck it underneath the cap. So after you tuck it, you want to see, is it too close to your brows, because that matters. Because sometimes it doesn't look like it, and then you have to pull your phone out. You know, you have to stare at yourself a couple of times in the mirror. You have to do the eyebrow lift, you know, because if it's too close to your brows, usually if you lift up your eyebrows, the wig will move up and then you'll be like, okay, yeah, it was way too close. So I like it like here because I do have a lot of extra baby hairs. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this spray. This is my Salon Graphic spray, and this is what I do to secure my lace down so it's not moving on me at all. So take your time with this also. You need to go ahead and get your comb and your blow dryer. In the back comb, because sometimes when you tuck in the back comb and you try to like move the wig around, it can kind of like snug on you or whatever. So that's me like tucking it. I just tucked it underneath the wig cap again. So like I said, just do it in sections. Hairspray in sections, so you know nothing looks too crazy or nothing lifts up on you because you're moving too fast. So I like kind of letting it sit before I use the blow dryer because then it gets tacky. So yeah. Alright, so make sure you don't get the hairspray on the weave. Like, that look is just so nasty, like a crunchy weave look. Ugh, I'm not here for it. So just be careful. And sometimes you have to put it on the lace and onto your skin, like right around the perimeter. And it's hairspray, so if it gets on your hair, it's not gonna hurt you. How you remove this is just using water. So it's not like you're committed or it's gonna pull out your hair or anything like that. This is like the glueless, tapeless method. This is just straight hairspray that does the job. And if you want to be extra like I am, I just like going in between, like parting and doing the hairspray trick in between. As close as possible. Don't get it on the hair, okay? Like, I'm not here for that hairspray look. If you do get it on your hair, just use a little bit of water before it dries and like just, you know, run over the spot. And by the way, I go back and forth with the cooling setting on my blow dryer and hot. So I put it on hot first, and then I go to cooling, and then I go back to hot, and then I go back to cooling. So yeah. And the other parts that really need that, and the other parts you want to focus on is like these parts, your side. If I felt like, you know, if I felt like it was a must, I would have done it. If I feel like I can get away with it, I'm gonna get away with it without having to do it, because 9 times out of 10 when you get a wig, you just want to pop it on and you want to go. You don't want to have to like bleach the knots. You don't want to have to treat it like as if it's a frontal and bundle. So I just wanted to get on here as raw as possible with you guys with the wig looking crazy, just so I can just show you exactly what I end up doing with the wig. So you know, you can go and tweak it, cut it, like layer it a little bit more if that's your thing. You can bump it, you can flat iron it if that's what you want to do. I really like this wig also because the knots on the unit is not super black. I hate that with a passion. I feel like, well, I'm just running the flat iron through it because I feel like it being in the little pouch that it came in, it kind of lost its shape, or I'm kind of like trying to give it shape. So, you know, a little body here. I'm going to use my little tiny mirror to let me see how it looks. But with haircuts like this, I'm not the girl that like wants her hair in her face like this. Like, this isn't me, and it never will be me. I'm more of a girl like this. Like, if I had a short haircut, all I would do is just do this, one of these numbers, and like wear it just like this. But that's just me. So if I was to have this hair, this wig on all the time, my hair definitely will be just like this, like off some Kris Jenner. Just throw it to the back, get it out of your face kind of vibe. I feel like this wig will look a lot better when I put my makeup on. So that's what I'm going to do. In the form that I want it in. Or what I could do is do this. This is what I'm going to do. Alright. I'm going to use some foam. I'm going to use a little bit, this much. And then I'm going to just run it through my hair like this. And this is so the wig can go in the direction that I want it to go in without having to keep putting so much heat in it. And this will kind of like calm down the body at the top of the hair. I'll kind of have it more flat. So when it dries, I can mess with it a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to put the clip in there. Hey babe, so unfortunately I was unable to get the outro up for you guys because I was getting rushed as usual. When I do a video, 9 times out of 10 I am going somewhere right after. So I just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts about the hair because this video is probably like a couple of days old and I'm in love with this freaking unit. When I say I've been rocking it ever since I took it out of the box, like I literally wet it and then I just let it do its own thing. And the haircut, whoever cut this hair is pretty awesome because it looks so good. Even after you wet it, it dries right in place how you seen it when I first like took it out the box. I pretty much like having this hair slicked all the way back personally when I do wet it, and then I just add a little bit of hair mousse and probably like some holding spray just at the top, just so it won't get, you know, too big on me throughout the day. The mousse that I do use is actually motion, so it's able to be really flexible with the hair. It's not giving it like that hard crunchy feel. If I do want that, that's why I add the hair, just that. But I definitely recommend you guys purchase this frizz tamer. It's a cream stick. That's what you see me using. It was that yellow thing. It's so helpful, especially when you have flyaways. So if you're looking to control any flyaways on any wig that you have, or even your bundles, your frontals, your closures, this is definitely a product that will help tame that. And I'm not just saying it. It doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy or sticky or anything like that. It has your hair just looking like how it's supposed to be at the top, just super flat as possible. So this is just my experience with my MyFirstWigs. They do have a 4th of July sale going on, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm sure I'll be working with them in the future just because I'm so in love with their unit. It's constructed really well. The knots, once again, really realistic. I end up dyeing this hair jet black though in the future after this video, so I love it even more now. But anyway, yeah, so their information will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you babies in my next one.